Have you ever felt like the world is changing faster than you can understand? Like one morning you'll wake up and things will no longer work the way they used to. What if I told you that this moment is much closer than you think? What if I told you that by the year 2050, the most powerful force shaping your life will not be a person, not a country, not a government, but something invisible, something silent, something that never sleeps and never makes mistakes? Today, we're stepping into that future, and once you see what is coming, you will never look at today's world the same way again. Before we dive deeper into this journey, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video, because here on Path of Knowledge, we explore the truths that shape your future, and today's truth will blow your mind. Before we move forward, I want you to do something. Look around the room you're in. Every object you see, the light, the fan, your phone, your house, was once just an idea, a dream, a prediction of the future. And now imagine that today, right now, you are watching a video that people in the year 2050 will look back at and say they already knew what was coming. Because the world we know today will be almost unrecognizable by 2050, not because the Earth will change, but because intelligence itself will change. The biggest transformation in human history won't come from war, or politics, or money. It will come from artificial intelligence, and it will transform everything. Close your eyes for just a moment and imagine this. You wake up in the year 2050. A soft, calm voice greets you. It knows your name, your schedule, your health, your sleep quality. It even knows the dream you had last night. Not because it's spying on you, but because it's analyzing tiny patterns in your heartbeat, your breathing, your brain activity. This voice is your AI companion. It's been with you for years, guiding you, protecting you, advising you, learning from you. And in 2050, this AI is not a tool, it's your partner. You ask it about your day, and it tells you the best route to take, the healthiest breakfast for your body, the exact vitamins you need, the tasks you should focus on first, and the emotional energy you'll have based on your sleep. This AI is not cold or robotic. It speaks like a friend. It understands your tone, your stress, your worries. It adapts to your personality. But the question is, how did we get here? Let's rewind back to today. Artificial intelligence is still young. It makes mistakes. It misunderstands. But it is learning faster than anything mankind has ever created. Every hour, every minute, it gets smarter. Not like humans who learn slowly and forget easily. AI learns instantly and never forgets. Now imagine this learning continuing for 25 more years. Imagine AI evolving not step by step, but leap by leap. Do you think the world will stay the same? The first transformation will hit the one thing that affects every living person on Earth: work. Jobs today will disappear, not because AI steals them, but because those jobs will become unnecessary. Think about it. Why would a company hire hundreds of analysts when an AI system can analyze millions of documents in seconds? Why hire customer support when AI can respond instantly in every language? Why hire drivers when cars drive themselves with perfect precision? But here is the twist. This doesn't mean humans become useless. It means humans will evolve into new types of workers: creative workers, strategic thinkers, emotional leaders, designers, supervisors, innovators. Just like the internet created jobs nobody imagined in the 1980s, AI will create jobs nobody can imagine today. Humans won't compete against AI. They will collaborate with it. Now think about education. Imagine a future where every child has a personal AI tutor. Every single student gets teaching tailored exactly to their learning style. Some children learn visually, others learn logically, others emotionally. AI will understand each individual child better than any teacher ever could.
No more 40 students listening to one teacher. In 2050, education will be personalized, adaptive, and emotional. Every child will learn faster. Slow learners will rise. Fast learners will accelerate. The world might produce millions of highly skilled minds, Einstein-level intelligence unlocked inside ordinary children. But the transformation doesn't stop there. Let's enter your home in 2050. Your home is not a building, it's a living digital ecosystem. The lights adjust automatically to your mood. The temperature changes when you're stressed. The air purifies itself when you feel tired. The walls display nature scenes when you're anxious. Robots clean your home. Smart kitchens cook for you. Your mirror analyzes your skin, your eyes, your oxygen levels, predicting health issues before they even start. Your home becomes your sanctuary, your caretaker, your intelligent environment. Now imagine healthcare. This might be the biggest revolution. In 2050, AI will diagnose diseases before you notice any symptoms. It will detect cancer at stage 0. It will predict heart attacks weeks before they happen. AI will monitor your mental health in real time. It will track your stress, your sadness, your hormonal changes, and it will help, not judge. Surgeries in 2050 will be performed mostly by robotic systems with nearly perfect accuracy. Medications will be customized to your body. Life expectancy will rise dramatically. Many diseases that trouble humanity today may disappear altogether. But now we must enter the darker room of this future. If AI becomes this powerful, what about the truth? What about privacy? What about control? Deep fake technology will be so perfect that it will be impossible to know what is real and what is fake. A person's voice, face, movements, AI will replicate them flawlessly. Fake news will be dangerous. Fake videos will manipulate millions. Lies will spread faster than truth. The world will have to build new systems to protect reality. Otherwise, chaos will follow. Privacy will almost vanish. Every movement, every preference, every habit will be analyzed. People will have to choose between comfort and privacy. But now comes the biggest, most serious question. What happens when AI becomes smarter than humans? Not a little smarter, not twice as smart, but thousands of times smarter. A level of intelligence so advanced that humans cannot understand it, the way an ant cannot understand human society. Will AI control the world? Will it overpower us? Will it become something we cannot stop? This is where humanity must be extremely careful. We must create rules, global rules, ethical rules, safety systems. AI will be powerful, but humans must remain in control. If we guide AI with responsibility, it will save humanity. If we misuse it, AI could magnify our mistakes beyond imagination. But here's the truth everyone needs to know. AI is not good or bad. AI reflects the intentions of the people who build it, and humans are capable of shaping the future responsibly. Because the future is not about AI replacing humans, it's about AI challenging humans to evolve. The humans of 2050 will not be weak, they will be enhanced, more creative, more strategic, more emotionally intelligent, because AI takes over the repetitive thinking, allowing humans to focus on what makes us unique: imagination, invention, storytelling, leadership, empathy, dreams. Imagine this version of yourself, learning new skills in days, not months, speaking new languages effortlessly, creating art with unlimited freedom, building businesses with AI as your partner, living longer, smarter, healthier. That is the human of 2050. Now place yourself in that future world one last time. The streets are clean, cars drive themselves, cities adjust energy automatically, hospitals cure diseases faster, homes understand people, education transforms minds perfectly, people adapt, grow, evolve, and someday Someone in that future will watch this video and say they saw the future before it arrived. So now the only question left is, are you ready for the world of 2050? Because the future is coming fast. And here on Path of Knowledge, we will explore every step of it together.